Do your videos never end up having the same style? The problem might be that you are doing your branding manually every time. Today I'll show you how to fix that with FlexClip. Stop wasting time adding colors, fonts, and logos over and over again. With this FlexClip feature, you can save your entire brand identity and apply it to your videos in seconds. This feature can save you hours if you create content constantly and you're probably not using it. Do you want to see how it works? Stick around because we're getting started. This is a video and content creation and editing platform that doesn't require using overly elaborate or complex editing software. You can use it to create YouTube videos, to create content for social media, to make ads, presentations, and practically any type of audio-visual content. Here we see the main interface of FlexClip. Here we see the recent projects. We can see what tools we have, from blank videos, turning long videos into shorts, for example, turning a YouTube video into a short for TikTok, converting from PowerPoint or PDF to video, screen recording, AI video studio, creating AI avatars, text-to-speech using AI transcriptions. What else do we have here? Automatic subtitles and AI video script. We can start with templates that FlexClip already offers us ready-made. You have a ton, as you can see, more than 6,000 templates available to use. Here we have our projects, the templates, as I was telling you. We can also choose by personal, birthdays, weddings, anniversaries. If it's more business-oriented, for companies, company presentations, promotions and sales, for ads, for stores, all kinds of marketing, something more creative, whether it's trailers, music, creating movies for social media, creating content for YouTube or for any social network you want, and for communities, for education and training. We would have the AI tools it offers us, the most popular ones, the ones for images. We can also easily remove backgrounds from an image, restore your old photos to their former glory, remove unwanted objects, and even swap faces with AI. We can also expand images, significantly improve image quality, and add vibrant color to black and white images. Furthermore, we can change clothes using AI, change hairstyles using AI, remove watermarks, handle professional photo editing, and even generate stunning portraits. This is just with images. Video really allows us to accomplish absolutely everything that I have already mentioned to you before in our discussion. We can also remove the background from videos. And when it comes to audio, the possibilities are truly endless. We can generate original music from scratch. We can translate speech and even translate entire videos with ease. Beyond that, we can effectively reduce background noise in audio recordings. We can also remove vocals to isolate tracks, create custom sound effects, and even clone voices with high fidelity. I mean, honestly, we have absolutely everything you could possibly need to handle any audio task right here in this application. Okay, I've uploaded a random video of mine from YouTube to see about transforming it into a video. Here we have what it has extracted from the video. It indicates the potential for virality of each part of the video so that we can move it to TikTok and choose the most viral so that we can upload it and get the maximum number of views possible. Here I'm going to upload an image that I created in another video with dragons, and I'm going to tell it to make a video of me flying with these dragons because I'm really excited to see it. Let's see what it generates for us. We're going to do the same thing but with a Viking video. And finally, another one of a pirate. you've already seen an overview of what the FlexClip app consists of. It offers us a ton of possibilities, more than 6,000 templates to use, already made, already created in different formats for a bunch of occasions. We've tested videos, we've been trying out a bunch of its features. I'd like to know if you have also tried them out. If so, let me know in the comments. I hope you liked this video a lot, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.